Easy crochet bunny coaster. Quick, cute, and perfect for beginners. For this project, I'm using Himalaya Himagurumi Cotton yarn. It's a really nice yarn for a project like this, and if you'd like the written pattern too. And I'll be using a 2.20mm hook for this project. If you enjoy easy crochet projects, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Now let's begin. Let's start with a magic ring, that little adjustable loop right in the center. Chain 3. Then work a double crochet into the ring. Counting that starting chain, we'll have 15 double crochets total in the ring. If your center looks neat here, the rest of the coaster will be much easier. After your 15 stitches, pull the yarn tail and close the magic ring. Now, slip stitch into that first chain. And that completes this round. Chain 2, then work a double crochet right into that same space. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. And again, 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Keep going with the same pattern here. You'll see the circle open up nicely. Work 2 double crochets into each stitch all around, and at the end of this round, you'll have 30 stitches total. When you reach the end, slip stitch into the first chain and finish the round. Chain 2. Make a double crochet into that same space. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Then in the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. Then in the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. Keep repeating that same pattern all the way to the end of the round. So it's double, single, double, single, and at the end of round 3, you'll have 45 stitches. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first chain and close the round. Chain 2. Work a double crochet into the same space. Now, make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then in the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. You'll notice the coaster staying nice and flat here, and that's exactly what we want. Again, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And tell me in the comments which colors you would choose for your bunny coaster. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. So keep repeating. 1 increase, then 2 single stitches, all the way around. At the end of round 4, you'll have 60 stitches total. Once you have all 60 stitches, slip stitch into the first stitch and finish the round. Chain 3. In that same space, make 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, make 2 treble crochets. This is where the bunny shape starts to show more clearly. Again, make 2 treble crochets in the next stitch. Now it's really starting to look like a bunny. So cute already. Then make 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and that completes the bunny head. Now chain 9 for the first ear. Slip stitch into the second chain. In the next chain, make a half double crochet. In the next chain, make 1 double crochet. Then work 3 treble crochets, one after another, in the next chains. These different stitch heights are what shape the ear. Nice, soft, and a little pointed. In the next chain, make 1 double crochet. In the last chain, make a half double crochet. Now slip stitch into the front 2 loops of that last stitch in the head section. Chain 9 again for the second ear. Now repeat the same stitch sequence we used for the first ear. Slip stitch into the second chain. In the next chain, make a half double crochet. In the next chain, make 1 double crochet. Then work 3 treble crochets, one after another, in the next chains. Try to keep both ears about the same size, so the final bunny looks nice and balanced. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the last chain, make a half double crochet. Now slip stitch back into that same space on the head section, just like that. Chain 1. Cut the yarn and hide the end between the stitches at the back. And if you'd like more written patterns and more crochet ideas, you can visit my website too. And now, the body, head, and ears are done. Now let's make the little tail, using white yarn. This tiny little detail makes the bunny look even cuter. Attach your yarn here, at the 22nd stitch, counting from the head section. A stitch marker can help here, if you want to mark the tail spot first. Chain 2. Into that same space, make 4 double crochets. Because they're all worked into one spot, the tail looks fuller and puffier. Chain 2. Now slip stitch into that same space. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and hide the end behind the stitches. And if you want, you can fluff that little tail just a bit more for a puffier look. And now, the little tail is complete too. For the bunny's eye, you can use a safety eye or a small black bead. Attach the eye near that first double crochet space, right there on the head section. You can find it on my website. That's everything for this tutorial. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Share it with your loved ones, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next tutorial. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!